Hi everyone, I'm Dushko Petrovsky, Executive Director of Business Development at Gentherm. I'm excited to share that I'll be attending the ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council annual meeting in Nashville, Tennessee this March, representing Gentherm and connecting with industry leaders who are shaping the future of trucking. At Gentherm, we develop technologies focused on driver performance and well-being, helping professional drivers remain alert, comfortable, and ready for the road, while supporting safety for everyone around them. To do that, our solutions are engineered to respond in real time to the demands of the driving environment, including active cooling and ventilation to help minimize fatigue, fast-acting heating to stabilize comfort and sustain long-term focus, pneumatic lumbar and massage systems that promote healthy posture and circulation. And these systems deliver the greatest impact when they operate together. That's where WellSense comes in. Our science-based software platform coordinates thermal and pneumatic technologies to support alertness, rest, and recovery throughout the driver's day, transforming well-being into a readiness advantage. But physical comfort is only part of the equation. Gentherm's hands-on detection technology is designed to support driver awareness in real time. Integrated directly into the steering wheel, it detects hands-on engagement, adding another layer of intelligence to the in-cabin experience. At Gentherm, we engineer technologies around the driver experience. When drivers feel better and stay engaged, they perform at their best, helping fleets operate more safely and efficiently. If you're at TMC this March, we'd welcome the opportunity to connect and continue the conversation.